Eliminate drafts and reduce your heating and cooling costs with easy-to-install weather stripping. To get started, you will need either foam, V-Seal, or rubber weather stripping, along with pliers, soap and water, a cloth, fine grit sandpaper, scissors, and a measuring tape. Before installing the new weather stripping, remove any old weather stripping. If adhesive or tape weather stripping has been used, this can be removed with pliers. Once the old weather stripping is removed, remove any dirt or debris from the door and door jamb using your cloth and some soap and water. For stubborn buildup, you can also use fine grit sandpaper. Next, measure the perimeter of the door jamb to determine how much weather stripping you'll need for the top and each side of the door. Measure and cut the 3 pieces of weather stripping. Starting at the bottom of one side of the door and working your way up and around to the other side, peel away the adhesive backing from the weather stripping and firmly press it into place around the perimeter of the door jamb. To help keep it in place longer over time, you can reinforce the weather stripping with heavy-duty staples or small tacking nails. As easy as that, you can eliminate unwanted drafts, seal out contaminants, and start saving energy. We offer a variety of weatherization products to meet your unique needs. To choose the products that are right for you, visit us at amconservationgroup.com.